Good morning. Clearly I just woke up. I wanted to document this week. I just kind of wanted to show you guys the process of starting my Etsy shop within 1 week. It sounds very surreal and very crazy and spontaneous, but you know, everything's happening for a reason and I am very excited for this new chapter in my life. Good morning everyone. I hope everyone is having a great day. It is Wednesday, the next day, May 20th. I forgot to film last night actually, but last night I was just finalizing my business logo, my care cards, and the instructions that I'm going to send out to everyone, and like a thank you card just to say, you know, thank you for your purchase and whatnot. This morning I applied for my EIN and you get that right away, so I officially have my EIN number, which is great. And then before I had to look into filling out some forms. 2 of them are for the state, for the IRS. I filed as a corporation, so automatically you are a C Corp, but then you need to have 2 different forms that need to be sent just stating that you want to terminate and become an S Corp. This vlog is just a brief like overview of everything that I've been doing this week, but I'm going to probably most likely make a more detailed video of all the legal things that you need to do. And then this morning also I ordered a heat press, so now I am going to go to the UPS store because one of the documents I need to fill out, it is for my county and it is a business certificate just stating that, you know, I have a business within the county, but it needs to get notarized, so I'm going to run to the UPS store and do that. I will see you guys in a little bit. Trying to vlog and drive at the same time, not really working. So I just finished up at the UPS store. I got it notarized, which was super quick and super easy. It was $2. I'm gonna go to just drop this off at the post office really quick. Came home to a surprise. Update, the self-serve drop-offs, they are glued shut. I went to 3 of them and they're all glued shut. So I'm gonna have to go to the post office tomorrow, or just leave it in my mailbox and they'll take it for me. I'm starving. I'm gonna get some food really quick. I'm probably gonna make a salad or something. I have to look at my to-do list. I have a never-ending to-do list that I need to figure out what I want to do. My packages came for some of the apparel that I'm going to order, which I'm super stoked about. I might even start making some designs and printing them out. That might be on my to-do list. So Alex and I were going back and forth. I needed a storage unit for my heat press, so it was $79 for each one, so I got 2 obviously. I'm really excited about that because I always wanted these drawers. I feel like every YouTuber has these drawers where they're like a makeup guru or something, so I feel like I fit in now. This is the heat press actually. I was watching a video on it. I got it from the place that I get my vinyl from. The heat press I think is going to come next week. So this is the care card. Ooh, focus. This is the care card that I make. So it's just saying thank you, handmade with love, to promote all of my stuff. And then on the back on some of them I'm going to have my care instructions for apparel. So this is my logo, guys. So this is what I was working on last night. This is my logo officially, which I am so happy with it. And then on the back of my business card I have just my name, the little moon logo with the stars, my Gmail, all of my social networks. Glad that I took care of that. I think this is basically all I have left of like the big purchases that I need to do. So right now I have on my to-do list as of today, I need to send another invoice to someone else. I'm making some onesies. I had to answer a few DMs because I've been getting messages, so I need to follow up on that. I needed to follow up on an Etsy order because I ordered something for a future video and she said it would ship 3-4 days ago and it still hasn't. And then I wanted to edit my upcoming video. I need to start visualizing photo ideas because what I want to do is I want to make the shirt and then photograph them. I had a plan that I want to film them at the beach on the boardwalk. I can't print out my business cards yet, or like my thank you card, or make stickers because I ordered the labels and I ordered the cardstock. It's just not here yet. That's like all next week or the weekend I'm gonna have to do that. I didn't say this, but I planned out my about me facts, like my FAQs, my shop policies, the cancellation policy, the refund policy. I will keep you guys updated as always. Looks so good. My recipe that I have, it always makes 2 of these, so I do one with chocolate chip and then I do a regular one. I just opened up my package. I'm in love with all of them. I love every single color. These are the crew necks that I will be offering. I got some onesies for another order. These are really cute colors. I got a blue and then like a light pastel yellow. And then these are the tanks. These are my favorite. These are my comfort color ones. Today's Friday. I didn't really vlog a lot these past few days because I've been doing a lot of work, but last night I was spending way too much time on making the sizing chart for each product that I have. We're going upstate for until Sunday, so we're going to our friend's house, so I'm really excited about that, just to kind of get away and be outside and not be cooped up in our houses anymore. We are in the car. We're about to drive away out of our driveway and headed upstate. I brought my laptop with me. I can't make any promises what I'll get done, but I'm hoping to get at least some things done. I need to edit my video, so that will be priority. Anything to say?
Found it.
Only crave for solid ground.
Hey everyone, so I am back in Long Island now, back in my office. I didn't film too much over the weekend and I apologize for that, but it was kind of just a nice getaway that I really needed. I've been working non-stop this past entire week and it just felt really nice to be with friends, just to take a break from what I've been doing with this Etsy shop and YouTube and whatnot. I did edit my video that I'm posting tonight, actually. I am about to record the audio with my microphone. All I have to do is add this audio and then it's ready to be scheduled for, I think I'm going to schedule it for 7 p.m. I got a few things in the mail that I can't find right now. I got some bags for me to ship all of my apparel in and or anything else that I need to ship in. I got my labels for when I want to make stickers. Let me record this audio. I will film me doing that and then I will be back. Hello everyone. I suck at vlogging. So we just got back from the beach and we just filmed all of the shirts and I am in love with all the photos that we took. It took just 2 hours, so we're almost home. She is nice and thick. Good morning everyone. It is 10 a.m. and I'm ready to start my day finally. Last night I actually didn't do anything at all. I was not really feeling well. We had a long day after the photo shoot and everything, so I was like, you know what? Let me just take this night off and I'm going to work extra hard today. I made some banana bread, so I'm gonna eat that now. I woke up to 700 subscribers today. I never know what to say each time. I'm just beyond thankful. Every single day I check my subscriber count, you know, and I always am like, okay, how much am I up today? And I cannot thank you guys so much. And I hope you all love this video and love my content so far. I have a busy day planned today. I need to make a video, finalize some invoices, finish up some orders from my, my Instagram. I have a long list, but I'm going to vlog as much as I can today for you guys because I know I haven't been doing the best. I'm announcing my launch date today. I'm going to be launching it on Saturday. I'm really excited about that. Oh, and IKEA is coming today to get my Alex drawers. So funny that they're named Alex. I think I'm gonna have Alex set up the drawers and possibly set up the heat press for me. I have a lot of other things to do and he's my heavy lifter assistant and I will have that on my Etsy shop. I'm just really excited. So I'm going to continue eating my banana bread and drink a lot of water and take you guys along with me for today. This is my entire list of what I need to get done and you probably can barely see it. So this I feel like is going to be really beneficial for when I do a future video on like how to set up your Etsy shop and whatnot. Did I not bring my phone in here? I need to send an invoice, make some mock-ups, and then I just need to record my YouTube video. I need to promote on Instagram, so I'm going to speed this up really quick. My care cards. IKEA just got here. I just finished my care cards. Here they are. I made about, I think, 50 of them. So these are the onesies I'm making. I'm doing like a nice yellow color, blue, and a white. So I found these boxes. I found a medium flat rate, again the same thing, and then this is a large flat rate, so I'm gonna see which one will work best. What's up? Oh shoot, I didn't even eat dinner yet. I was in the zone for like 2 hours trying to get all this stuff done. This is what I did for a new end card. I have to do my Etsy banner soon, which I want to do something like this where I have the picture and then like the shop name in the background with my logo right here. So I think I'm just gonna work on the titles, tags, and descriptions tonight. But I think I'm gonna stop vlogging right now unless I feel the need to vlog. I hope everyone is enjoying this vlog. I really hope everyone enjoys this and is just having fun seeing the process of just making my business come to life. And if I do not talk anymore, I will see you guys in the morning. I wake up to this note. I just took them out now. Can't wait. They're like still really frozen. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday. Tomorrow is the big day and I am so excited, and it feels so surreal that this is actually all happening so soon. I need to make a TikTok as well. I'm going to try to film as much as I can today because I know I didn't, and obviously tomorrow I'm going to film. I'm still not feeling like 100%, but I'm just trying to push through because obviously tomorrow's the big day. Let's get my day going, and thank you for following and still watching this video if you already are. I had to charge my camera because it was kind of dying and I didn't want to film anything yet. I packaged the 2 boxes that I need to do, the onesies and the dog bowl. I was going to make my business cards, but I actually ordered them on Canva. I am ready now. So I just finished filming the intro and outro. I just need to edit everything tonight. I also forgot I need to take pictures of these sweatshirts and the colors of the sweatshirts because I didn't do that. I was gonna do it at the beach, but we didn't have time. So I need to do that quick. My hair is so messed up. It was so windy outside. I was getting frustrated. But I did my TikTok. I posted it now. Gonna go outside and sit with Alex. And it's so beautiful out. Now, of course, it's nice out, right? When I'm not filming. Say hi.
Hi.
You're bending over so much.
I'm trying to look in at my phone.
Oh, look at those burgers. Let's cook and I'll be back. I've been taking pictures of the colors. I can't believe it's tomorrow though. I feel like this was so far away, and the fact that this is all happening tomorrow, it's very surreal. Even if I get one sale, like I'm so thankful because you know what, like I'd rather have one sale and start somewhere, and then that makes me realize like, okay, I need to fix this, I need to fix that. What can I change? I'm just really excited for this chapter in my life. I'm really glad about the decisions that I've made. I'm thanking you guys a bunch, but thank you again for joining me on this journey with me. I appreciate all the platforms that I have, and I want to just tell you guys what I've learned so I can help you guys, you know? Let's get to work again. So it is 12:41. The longest thing to do was going through all the photos. Like I had to edit all of them, like see what the order I want to put them, just so that way tomorrow when I post everything, it's going to be quick. Wait, let me tell you what I did first and then I'll tell you my plan. Whoa. I priced out basically everything that I want to do tomorrow. I'm gonna just do a breakdown, what I'm gonna make profit wise and the fees and what I'm gonna get after that. I went through all of my YouTube videos and added my new shop name, added my new Facebook, even though I didn't change it yet. But tomorrow morning I plan on waking up around like 8:30. I need to make an Excel sheet just of my business purchases. 10:30, 10:45, I'm going to start adding everything because I don't know if there's a way that you can post on Etsy and like not make it public. I'd have to wait and see. No one knows my shop name besides Alex. Once 12 p.m. hits, I can immediately just change my Instagram name, change my Facebook name. As soon as it launches, I have to change my Instagram name. I'm gonna put the Linktree link in my bio as my website link. So now when you click that, it'll show up if you want to click on my Etsy shop, my YouTube, or my Pinterest, and then I'll add my Facebook there too. I need to add the new logo to my Instagram. And then TikTok, what I'm going to do is I already commented on the main viral TikTok that I had that my shop is launching tomorrow, and people have been liking it. A few people were like, can you message me or can you DM me? I'm just gonna reply directly to them and be like, hey, my shop launched. But then after that, once the chaos is kind of like over, I have to edit my video. I'm so behind on YouTube. I usually am so ahead on this, but this week has been just so busy. Let me stop talking and let me go to bed, and I will see you guys in the morning. It is lunch day. I'm in my kitchen. I often move around in my house a lot, but I can't just stay in one place at like one time because my back hurts or like I need to move around. It is 10:18 right now, and I have my business to-do list, my original one that I wrote down. So I'm gonna go through all of this, see what I like got accomplished, what I haven't, because I didn't really touch this in a while. I'm just drinking my Hydro Flask, my water. Stay hydrated, people. I'm really excited. I'm also really nervous and anxious, and I feel like no one's gonna buy my things. I don't really know how to feel. I'm just feeling a lot of emotions right now. I just can't believe it's the day today. Let me get to work. She is live. I'm just looking at each listing to make sure it all looks great. 6 minutes away from being live, and then I have my long list of everything I need to do. I actually cannot change my Instagram name yet. What I did was I saved the name and I just changed it because I didn't want anyone stealing it, obviously. So now I don't know what to do. I'm hoping within the next 14 days someone doesn't steal my name. But yeah, so I have to wait until 14 days. So I'm going to put like a calendar mark. I basically did everything that I needed to do. And like I said, I mean, I can't change the name on Facebook yet because I can't change the Instagram name. I just need to reply to all the TikToks and do some Pinterest stuff. Other than that, like I can't do anything else. I will be organizing my closets for the rest of the day. Well, I hope everyone loved this video, and if you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and click my subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, more behind the scenes. I did mention that I will be posting a more detailed, thorough video on how to launch your own Etsy shop within 10 to 14 days. So I'll be doing that very soon. And until then, I will see you guys next time. Bye! I just got my first order. I didn't even launch within an hour and I just got my first order. Like, how is this possible? It doesn't feel real until you actually get your first order, I guess. Even if I just get one sale today, like I will be the most ecstatic person. I just cannot thank you guys and everyone who has supported me so much through all of this. I'm just so grateful and so thankful and just very hopeful and excited for the future and what Shop New Moon Co has. Can we just take a moment that 6 people have this in their cart?